Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Walmart. This is their beauty box for winter. It's very heavy this month. This is only $6.98. Shipping is free, and this gets sent out quarterly, so 4 times a year, one for each season. Now, it may not be the exact items in here because normally they show you everything. I believe I get the trendsetter box. There's different variations you can get based on the information you put in when you fill out the form. So I'll put a link below in case anybody wants to sign up. But let's see, what is this? Oh, a satin pillowcase. These are expensive. And unfortunately, I won't be able to use this. It's a standard size. I guess I'll leave it sealed. I have a king size one, but this looks really nice. I like the color too. And like I said, those are typically pretty expensive. Next, we have a facial toner, which is awesome. I could definitely use that. It also has witch hazel and aloe vera in it, and it's cucumber scented and alcohol free. That's awesome. I get a lot of these samples. I don't think I've ever actually tried them. I give them to my brother because he always drinks like this because he works out a lot, and he says he really likes them. It's his favorite one. And this is a tangerine flavor, so he'll be excited for that. Got 2 samples. Then we have Cetaphil. I don't know why I said that word. This is healing ointment for dry, chapped, or irritated skin. Again, definitely can use that. Free of mineral oil, lanolin preservatives, fragrance, suitable even for babies, it says. Next up, completely bare hair removal. Oh, cool. Moisturizing no bump shave gel with aloe vera and jojoba oil. Cool, and it says it has a fresh scent. Excited to try that. And the last one is mascara. So it looks like the card was accurate. This is from CoverGirl, Simply Ageless Mascara. Primer and serum. It's like a 3-in-1 it says, and mascara all in one. So let's look at the card again. It doesn't tell you the value. Just double checking. Oh yes, it does. See, it never used to do that. They changed the card. So this card, I got all these items, and it does tell you the value for full size. The mascara is $10 alone. That's already full size. The pillowcase is only 10 bucks. I feel like they're way more expensive than that. But yeah, definitely worth it. That pillowcase alone or the mascara alone paid for the box. So if you're interested, I will put all the information below in the description box and how you can sign up and some more details about it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.